Why does your scanner show the P2477 engine code? What does it mean? P2477 is a diagnostic trouble code for the exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit intermittent erratic bank 2 sensor 4. This engine code malfunction indicating an intermittent or erratic signal from the exhaust gas temperature sensor bank 2 sensor 4. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGT sensor. Wiring issues. Poor electrical connection. Excessive particulate matter. Exhaust leak. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Jaguar, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.